My hearty welcome and warm greeting to all of you. My purpose of this webinar is for taking care of your health, and I am going to talk to you exclusively about your health. And it is only because I feel that it is the most important asset of every human being, and your health is directly connected with your genetics, that is, your DNA structure. So, please be attentive to this webinar. Use a laptop or a PC for the best experience. Take some notes. Save your questions for the end. Ask your doubts to 98469 77770. You can send WhatsApp to this number. This webinar is all about how to live a longer, healthier, and disease free life by understanding your personalized diet and exercise with the help of your DNA analysis. Higher productivity, performance, and creativity are the buzzwords for the future. By understanding your DNA and following it is one of the best ways to achieve this productivity, performance, and creativity. And genetics is going to revolutionize the future. What is there in this webinar? First, a quick overview of genetic science and DNA. How a DNA analysis can be useful to identify your personalized diet. How a DNA analysis can be useful to identify your personalized exercise. How visceral fat and related obesity, the major threat to human life, can be controlled with the help of genetic science. And finally, how a DNA analysis helps to reduce the speed of body aging, which helps you to reduce your body age for attaining your full potential. Your DNA makeup is unique for you in this universe, and you are the only one person with exact genetic code as of yours. You cannot find a similar copy among 7.8 billion humans around this globe. So, understand that you are special and you are unique. We all inherited some qualities like our skin color, hair structure, height, body structures, etc. from our parents. We also inherited a lot of other parameters relating to our diets, relating to our diseases, exercises, and even metabolism of medicines according to our genes. I believe that there are three factors which are necessary for a person to be successful. Number one is physical fitness. If you are not physically fit, whatever achievements you attained in your life, you cannot enjoy your life properly. Mostly, people end up losing health on the run to attain these areas of life. Second important factor is your mental fitness, which means you should be balanced personality with positive thoughts. Also, the relationship with your family, friends, and society matters. If you are physically fit, you can easily achieve this mental fitness using techniques like meditations, yoga, or by attaining knowledge by reading good books, or by participating in sessions by teachers or gurus who can guide you to a higher mental stage. Once you attain the above two factors, that is physical fitness and mental fitness, the third important factor will follow automatically, that is your financial fitness. I am here for helping you to start a new journey. It is very simple. For this, you need perseverance, dedication, consistency, and smart work. By understanding your genes, you can exactly pinpoint where you have to concentrate and how to achieve your full potential. It is my promise that you take a step forward to go along and follow your genes. You will be transformed completely in your physical, psychological, and financial aspects. For the past 20 years, I was a person who used to do physical exercises, diets, medicines, etc., and bought loads of exercise machines for getting physically fit and to reduce my tummy and all. By spending a lot of money and time, I didn't succeed in it getting a permanent result, but I got transformed once I started to follow my own genes. Since then, I'm into the research of genetic science. I learned mind-blowing facts about genetics which can transform a human being to the next level with high energy and spirit. Now, Let me introduce myself quickly. I am Liju R. Nair, wellness enthusiast, passionate in genetic science and biohacking, which led me to start the company Genetrix Genetic Solutions. The main purpose of this venture is to help people to actualize their dreams by assisting them to transform their lives by understanding their unique genetic makeup. First of all, let us understand what genetics is and the importance of Human Genome Project and how it revolutionized human healthcare worldwide. Human genome is the huge collection of genes inside each and every one of our cells. And this project was completed in the year 2003. Knowing the sequence of billions of letters that make up our genome was the goal of this project. You are unique mainly because of your own genome. About 99% of the genes are similar in all human beings, but there are significant variations in each and every person in this universe that makes them unique. It is all about that 23 pairs of chromosomes and the DNA inside each chromosomes in our cells, which is also we inherited from our father and mother. By understanding our DNA, we can lead a healthier and wishful life as we can understand which type of diet matches us, which exercise suits us the best, and how it affects us. What is gene sequencing? How are your genome and my genome is different? These differences are responsible for the differences in how we both look like, what we like, which diseases are going to affect you and me, and which medicine is beneficial for both of us in case of a treatment. If you are interested to know deeply into genome sequencing, you can watch my YouTube channel, Genetrix Genetic Solutions. Before moving further, let us have a look at some real facts. In 1960s, average life expectancy of an Indian was 41 years, and in 1970 it rises to 48 years. In 1980 it was 54, 1990 again to 58, and in 2000 it was 63. 2010 it again rises to 67, and now in 2020 it is 70. A huge leap of 30 years. So just imagine a person who is now 30-year-old, who is definitely going to cross his 70 by the year 2060. What will be Indians' expectancy in 2060? It will be 110 years. Some of you may laugh at it. Do not laugh. If this person who is now 30 and taking care of his health seriously, he can live a further another 40 more years to cross the age of 110. That means he can live up to the year 2100. But take my word, dear friends, it is going to happen. And it is the truth. The major reason is the advancement of medical science. One more question will come to your mind now. Can we cross this age of 110 healthy? Of course not. You are going to cross these just by crawling with diseases and with an unhealthy body. Why? The medical science and your family members are not allowing you to die. Can you imagine a life dying longer? Dying longer means that your life is extended with the support of medical science by regular medications and periodical medical checkups and medical interventions like dialysis, angiograms, etc. just to pass the time. Think of a life which is just opposite. Even at the age of 100, you are fully active and energetic. Will it be possible? Yes, it is possible. How? Here comes the importance of a healthy living. And my promise to you is that I can guide you to cross these 110 with full energy and enthusiasm. Is it crazy? This webinar is not for people who think that it is enough to live up to 70 or 80 and think that the game is over. This webinar is only for the people who want to live longer and healthier, and also to do something more to your family and the society. In recent days, We find a lot of our influential politicians, other personalities, even business leaders who are in their 50s and 60s and are getting into ICU due to severe medical conditions associated with these COVID-19 conditions. It is only because their body does not have a good immune system and they have some other disease history in their life. Remember, medicines and surgeries are only the support system for curing a disease. The real work should be done by your immunity only. So it is very necessary to have a high immunity power to get out of situations like this COVID-19. It may come in future also. In this webinar, I am going to help you to achieve only those things which I have achieved in my life. I am 50 now. I will also let you know how epigenetic solutions can help you to reverse your body age and health issues like obesity, diabetes, and various other lifestyle diseases by simply changing your diet and physical activities. Everyone loves to be healthy, but almost 90% human fails in their diet plans, exercise plans, and weight management plans. Why? The reason is your own brain. As your brain blocks whichever activity, whether it is food, exercise, which is in contradiction to your genetic makeup, as the brain does not want to come out of its own comfort zone. It may be in the form of bad weather or like a fever or creating some circumstances to hook up with undesired diet patterns, etc. And people end up in halfway. Anyway, brain science is entirely a different subject, how your brain is aligned with universal energies and all. But if you knowingly or unknowingly, I'm repeating, knowingly or unknowingly, select an exercise regime or select a diet pattern which is aligned with your genetic structure, you will be benefited and you can continue forever. But it will be a luck factor that you automatically fall in alignment with your genetic structure in the case of your diet and physical activities. You might have heard of various motivational speeches that you are unique, unique, and unique just to motivate you. But it is real, you are unique. And it is a science. If you believe in science, I can help you in the following 4 areas. Number 1, how to find your personalized diet and metabolism. At Genetrix, we follow the basic principle of food as medicine. As you are what you eat. Here, we will talk about nutrigenomics, a branch of genetic science. Number 2, how to identify your personalized exercise, or rather, it will be good to say your physical activity. How we can align it with your genetic structure. Number 3, how to align your food and exercise according to your DNA for a healthy life without diseases like obesity, diabetes, and such other lifestyle diseases. And number 4, how to reduce your body age. Before we go further, please watch this short video, which is less than 2 minutes. Let us first start with various aspects regarding the diet part. It is all about what you are putting into yourself and how you are doing this. Did you notice that some persons who are drunkard, whose age is more than 80 and does not have any health issues in your village? I have seen a lot. At the same time, we also see people who are health conscious, not having any bad habits like smoking or alcohol consumption, affected with serious diseases like liver cirrhosis, cancers, heart attacks, etc. The reason is their genetics. Some people have a gene in them with high alcohol flush reaction. If those people consumes liquor, it flushes out from their body very easily without leaving too much of toxic traces. In the same manner, which is just opposite to this, is a person with lactose intolerance will end up in various diseases if he consumes more milk than his genes allows him. So it is evident that alcohol does not harms everyone and milk will not be beneficial for everyone. Now, I will tell you some scientifically proven facts and how genetics and DNA profiling is going to help you achieve your physical fitness goals. What affects the body composition? Two people of same height and body weight may look completely different from each other due to various hereditary factors. Number one is genes, then physical activity, diet, gender, and finally metabolism. Ghrelin and leptin. These are two hormones which decide how you eat food. If you have a gene that makes you overweight, it increases your hunger hormone, that is ghrelin. And this gene also delays your satiety hormone, that is leptin. If leptin is produced late, you will not feel full after having a meal. We can help you find out if your gene makes you eat a lot of fat or carbohydrates and let you know what kind of foods and eating patterns will satisfy them without gaining more weight. Is meat good for you? Now, let us think, how will you metabolize meat and its toxic byproducts? Do you neutralize them effectively? Fried and grilled meats, apart from many other kinds of food, have toxic chemicals called PAH, polyamino hydrocarbons, and PCAs, polycyclic amines, that causes aging and several diseases including cancer. While you may neutralize and eliminate them efficiently if you carry the healthy gene, but if these genes are absent in you, these carcinogens would just accumulate in your body. This is frequently cause of colorectal cancer among the meat eaters. Then comes the lactose intolerance part. Lactose intolerance is not a myth, it is actually a fact. As mammals, we do not have the enzymes to digest milk and dairy products beyond our breastfeeding age. So, milk can be a natural irritant to our own guts. We help you to find out if you have the genes to digest milk as an adult or if you lose them right after infancy. And studies shows that about 82% of Indian population is lactose intolerant. But most of us do not recognize these conditions as we were brought up by developing a habit of drinking milk or tea on a regular basis. Sugar. Sugar is certainly not so good. But for some of us, sugar is plain evil. Some of us have a gene that combines the sugar with useful proteins and lipids. These make them useless products that causes inflammation in our body. Scientists have now found that these sugar byproducts can wreak havoc in the body, slowly damaging the skin and kidneys and these accelerating our aging. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are miracle micronutrients essential for the various functions of the body, but only in very small doses. Some of us have a gene that efficiently balances these omega-3 and omega-6. This helps maintaining anti-aging and cognitive functions very well. But some of us don't have such an efficient genes. Let us find out and take the necessary steps to correct these issues. Beans and legumes are considered as one of the major sources for vitamin B's. Suppose two persons of a same family eat same quantity of beans, it is not necessary that both of their body absorbs vitamin B in the same manner, as metabolism rate is different for each and every individual. B vitamins are essential in our diet, but a defective gene fails to metabolize it properly. If you carry the defective gene, then you accumulate toxins of a metabolic byproduct and will need a special vitamin formulation. These affects only some of the B vitamins, and finding out will help you identify and prevent several deficiencies and malfunctions. Let us have a look at how the test results looks like and how can we interpret it and make use of it for your own daily life. Matching diet type. This is a test parameter where we can find out which type of diet suits you the best by profiling almost 7 genes, and recommendation can be given to you on a separate basis. We can go through other test parameters also. Let us have a quick look. Response to polyunsaturated fats, omega-3 and omega-6 levels, anorexia nervosa, then snacking, hunger, alcohol dependency. In this case, if we can find out whether a person's gene is alcohol dependent, we can advise him not to consume alcohol, as he may develop addiction in future, which may harm him. This will be helpful in cases of young students. Some other parameters I will show you. Alcohol flush reaction, this is also related to alcohol. Caffeine metabolism, this is also a major factor which affects a person's health. For example, if a person has a slow metabolism of caffeine and is in the habit of consuming coffee products, caffeine products like tea, coffee or Coca-Cola, it may end up in obesity only due to this habit. Once we detect this condition, we can easily change his habit by administering some epigenetic techniques to his diets, and he can easily maintain a good health. Similarly, we assess almost 37 parameters relating to your personalized diet, and recommendations will be given to you. And this will be helpful to guide you having a proper diet pattern. Just have a look. Lactose intolerance, we will cover. Nicotine dependency, like this we do almost these tests and all. You can go through these tests. All vitamins. Body weight regarding parameters we are checking. Bone mineral density we are checking. Obesity related genes we are checking. Metabolism rate. And after a thorough study of all these 37 parameters, what our genetic counselor, who is actually he's also a qualified doctor, will give you a counseling to select a best diet pattern. Moving further towards the exercise part, have a look at this short video for 1.5 minutes. Let us discuss about the physical activity part of our day-to-day life. You all know exercises plays a major role in human health, but are you sure that you are doing the exercises judiciously? Let us take the example of Ranjan Das, CEO of SAP. Please watch this video.
Hello and welcome to Boss's Day Out. Technology is something which is embedded in mine and your life, and our boss today in some ways pretty much defines that embedded element in our lives, whether we go to a retail shop or whether we are a multinational corporation. Our boss today, Ranjan Das, heads the India operation for very renowned SAP. Dressed top to bottom in your gymming gears, or is that something that you do every morning?
I wouldn't call myself a freak, but I work out about 5 days a week. 2 days of running and 3 days I spend time in the gym, weights and all that. You have to get the clients to fill in the numbers, you have to make sure your company is innovating, you have to make sure the clients are successful, so especially in a down economy. So there's a lot of stress.
How does gymming, for example,
it really helps because it's about balance. It's about healthy mentally and physically. And when I was younger, I did not pay as much attention to the physical well-being, that aspect of life. But now that I'm getting a little older, you have to keep that in mind. So, working out regularly, eating well, and getting plenty of sleep are very important for physical well-being. I think I'm pretty good at the first two.
What about the sleep bit?
Yeah.
Everybody seems to.
Yeah, I know. That's a scarce commodity these days.
Yes,
so
it is.
I'm like almost everybody else, not enough sleep. Yeah.
So we will let Ranjan finish with his jog regime, and we'll catch him at the breakfast table. There we
All
go.
right.
Happy running.
Thank you. See you soon.
He was an exercise freak and a marathon runner. He died after a massive heart attack at the age of 43. That also after a workout in the gym. Various similar examples are there in the recent past. BMW India's CEO, Mr. Rudra Tej Singh, also met with the same fate at the age of 46. He was also a health freak. So, what shall we assume from these incidences? People should do exercises which are suitable according to their genetic makeup only. For example, if a person who is having a genetic predisposition to arthritis start running for fitness, he will end up injuring his knees. This is very lighter side of how a wrong exercise can harm you. If 4 friends start playing badminton, each one of them have different results. 1 or 2 of them may develop some side effects due to these exercise patterns, which they may not notice, as these may affect them in the long term. Let us have a look how a genetic test can help people in understanding how to do exercises and what all should be avoided according to their genetic makeup. Let us have a quick look on the test results for exercise parameters. Number 1. Aerobic capacity. How aerobic exercises is beneficial for you. Number 2. Endurance training. By testing these particular genes, we can find out whether endurance training helps you in attaining your fitness targets or so. Third, strength training parameters we are checking there. Fourth is blood pressure response to exercise. Fifth, loss of body fat response to your exercises. Sixth, weight loss response to exercise. Seventh will be insulin sensitivity response to exercise. And finally, HDL cholesterol to response to your exercises. All these things we will check and we will give you a report. Nowadays, a lot of celebrities in Hollywood and Bollywood are getting their genetic test done, and are keenly following their personal diet and exercise plans to stay fit. Also, remember that the medicine you take or surgery done in you is not going to recover you from a disease condition. It is your immunity power which is going to get you to a healthy body. For a better immunity, the best thing you can do to your body is having a proper personalized diet suits you the best and having a personalized exercise plan. Now, let us look into one of the major factor, that is obesity. Why I am discussing about obesity with a special importance in this context is only because it is the byproduct of your lifestyle, which had a direct relation to the above two factors, that is your diet and exercise. And it also had a direct relation to the diseases which you are now carrying or going to have in the near future. Have a look at these facts. A study published by British Journal of Public Health states that excess weight is more dangerous than being a lifetime smoker, chronic drinker, or a banned substance user. In India, 75% urban population is overweight or obese. So you can't feel bad as you are encountering with more obese people, and you may think yours is a normal size, but it is not so. It is advisable to check your parameters and be sure that you are not overweight. WHO has identified obesity as the fourth major chronic disease today, and obesity also develops into many chronic diseases. There is a 57% chance of obese people to become diabetic and a 75% chance to end up with a weakened immune system, 30% chance for a pancreatic failure, 17% chances of having a heart disease and high BP, 14% chances for arthritis, and 11% chances for cancers. Also go through these following reports. How dangerous is obesity in situations like COVID-19? And we can expect similar situations in future also. Here we can see some facts regarding ideal parameters of how your body should be concerning weight, BMI, body fat, biological age, waist circumferences, BMR, and visceral fat. Among the body fats, subcutaneous fat and visceral fat, the most dangerous one is visceral fat, which is to be addressed very seriously. Otherwise, it will play havoc to your life in COVID-19 like situations. What is visceral fat? This is the fat which is basically accumulated in your abdominal cavity, and it can be actually seen. It surrounds your internal organs like liver, intestines, and it can also build up in arteries, and it chokes your internal organs from working properly, as if they were tightly compressed from all the sides, thus reduce your immunity power. Ideal visceral fat level should be less than 9, and any number above 9 is risky, and above 15 it is high risk. If your visceral fat is more than 20, it is highly dangerous situation. Have you ever checked it? My recommendation to you is to check your visceral fat immediately, as in someone's case, it may not be so visible from external looks of belly size. In some cases, even people with low belly sizes have visceral fats level more than 10, which is to be addressed on an emergency basis. Otherwise, it would be a catalyst for almost all lifestyle diseases like diabetes and cardiac diseases like stroke, sudden cardiac arrest, heart attack, hypertension, etc. These visceral fat will also function as a catalyst for various cancers and diseases like Alzheimer's. It can be dangerous in case where your immunity power fails to get you recovered from a disease condition. Then what is the solution? Our epigenetic solution for diet, exercise, and obesity management using DNA profiling technology is a 108 days guided program where you will come to know about your cellular level health. This program is a synergy of genetic science and natural management of diet and exercises. This program will definitely give you miraculous results in these 108 days. How is Genetrix program of epigenetic solution for diet, exercise, and obesity management using DNA profiling technology is different from other weight management programs or diet programs? In other diet programs or weight loss programs, people lose muscle mass, charm, and end up in reduced metabolism and hydration levels, which ultimately leads to various other diseases in their future. But in our Genetrix epigenetic solutions for diet, exercise, and obesity management program, they will become more hydrated with a high metabolic rate, which ultimately leads to increase in their muscle mass and charm, as the entire program is designed according to each individual's DNA structure by avoiding all the factors which may not suit their DNA structure. By this way, this program becomes a safe and sure option. Our final topic is about body age. By adopting a proper diet and exercise regime which suits your genetics is the best solution to reduce your body age, as it reduces stress to your internal organs. If you are consuming the right food and doing right exercise, toxins in your body will be near zero and there will not be any oxidative stresses to your tissues. This ultimately keeps your body young and vibrant. It will also be helpful in reversing health issues like obesity, diabetes, and various other lifestyle diseases. Now, I am going to tell you about its implementation part. How to start with. We first collect saliva sample from you and it will be sent to the lab for DNA isolation. After profiling of your genes, a detailed report will be sent to you. This procedure normally takes 20 days after collection of the sample. Once your report is generated, our genetic counselor, who is also a qualified doctor, will give you a call and explain you about how to choose your personalized diet and exercise and how to transform to a new version of you. In a nutshell, these tests will be a one-stop solution which gives you the benefit of consulting a doctor, a dietitian, and a fitness expert with the additional support of a genetic counselor.